Hi and welcome back to the cocktail vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blood and sand. So this particular recipe is from the Savoy cocktail book from about the 1930s. I have found another recipe on DIFFORD'S guide, so from Simon Difford, an English bartender. This is the classic, so another one that's just equal parts. So I'm going to do 3/4, so 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 mils of a blended whiskey, cherry herring, so cherry liqueur, a sweet vermouth, this is Medina, this is actually an Australian one, and freshly squeezed orange juice. So add all those ingredients straight into your cocktail shaker. So 3/4 or 22.5 mils. Onto your cherry herring, followed by the sweet vermouth. So this particular one uses a lot of Australian botanicals, so it'll bring quite a unique flavour to this cocktail. And lastly, the freshly squeezed orange juice. And fill your cocktail shaker with ice and give it a really good shake. Now strain into your chilled glass. So I've had a couple of cubes sitting in there. Drain off that excess water and strain over the top. And for garnish, just a twist of lemon. And there you have a blood and sand. Cheers. That's really delicious. It is quite sweet, but I'm a bit of a sweet tooth, so I do like this particular recipe. Simon Difford's recipe alters it a little bit. He increases the whiskey to a full ounce, and he also does a float of an Islay whiskey. For those who don't know, Islay is an island in Scotland, very well known for their Scotch whiskies, and in particular the peat is very abundant there, so they utilise the peat to dry the grain, and therefore imparts this really smoky flavour. I'm keen to give that a try actually, because a little bit of smokiness to this cocktail will be fantastic. Really get that cherry herring coming through. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.